guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cordless nail guns that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Metabo HPT 18 volts multi-volt cordless finish nailer kit. The Metabo HPT sailed to an easy placement in our 2022 Tool Awards owing to its lightweight, easy handling, and ability to sink a fastener in the toughest wood. It sank all of its nails in our maple and red oak tests. A brushless motor increases its longevity as it improves its already impressive firing speed. With this power tool, you get a brad nailer that's as light as a pneumatic tool, but without the air hose. Let's take a closer look at that all-encompassing statement. Metabo HPT has made a name for its nailers, going head-to-head with industry stalwarts such as Paslode, Senko, and Stanley Bostitch. All these companies know that the key to any nailer is that you have to place it quickly and easily where you need to fire. This is especially true with trim work where every nail has to be perfectly fired. One misfired nail can wreck a piece of trim, causing you to have to tear it off, then cut and fasten a replacement piece. This is completely unlike framing where a misfired nail gets buried. The more weight and size you add to a nailer, the more difficult it becomes to place on its target, making it more likely that you may misfire a nail. The first generation of cordless nailers were good first efforts, but it was a close call between them and selecting a slim and easily handled pneumatic tool, dragging a hose and a pancake compressor with you. The Metabo HPT represents the full fruition of the effort to make finish nailers slim and easy to handle. It's 30% lighter than its predecessor tool, which was already fairly slim and easy to handle. The Metabo HPT has a slim handle and a good line of sight to its tip. Therefore, it's easy to handle at floor height, mid-height and over your head. The odds of you misnailing are greatly reduced and your productivity moves up a notch. When you get right down to it, this is what 18-gauge fasteners are all about. Compared to tools that fire 15-gauge fasteners, you can pack more of them in a nailer's magazine, and they take less force to drive. Thus, the gun to fire them can be smaller and lighter. Yet at the same time they can fasten trim so securely that once it's nailed, it stays put. You have to pry it off by driving a flat bar behind it. So the Metabo HPT succeeds on all fronts. It's light, easy handling, powerful and takes full advantage of the potential locked-in 18-gauge fasteners by delivering a power tool well engineered to fire them. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Ryobi 1+18V cordless brad nailer. The Ryobi is a do-it-yourselfer's nailer. It lacks the long nail driving power of our test's top finishers. But it's inexpensive and quite effective for most of the jobs that you will need it for when fastening together two pieces of softwood around the hose. Think during craft projects, when attaching shoe molding, and when nailing on softwood door and window molding, baseboard, and small crown molding. Hobbyist crafters and DIYers will appreciate the tool's lack of bulkiness. It's a bit shorter and slimmer than professional duty nail guns. Also, the dial at the back of the tool makes it fast and easy to adjust output air pressure to control nail depth. Turning the dial clockwise increases air pressure and driving power, while turning it counterclockwise has the opposite effect. Simple and intuitive. At number 3, we have the Milwaukee 2746-20 cordless nail gun. With decades behind us testing Milwaukee electric tool products, we know the brand isn't given to hyperbole. Yet we looked askance at its claim that this 18-gauge nailer can fire reliably into 2-inch oak. Well, not only does the 2746 do this, it also sets each nail with an impeccable and crisp cavity above the head, perfect for accepting filler. And there ends our brief career as Milwaukee skeptics. Other notable features of this tool include its mechanism that opens the entire top of the nailer's nose for full and easy access to clear jammed nails, which we didn't experience, by the way. It also has a slim profile and a well-shaped grip that contribute to its easy handling nature. The 2746 makes nailing trim a pleasure. At number 2, we have the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Brad Nailer Kit. 18-gauge nails are finicky. The longer a nail is, the harder it is for a nail gun to reliably sink the skinny things into hardwoods without either misfiring and jamming in the nose or firing the nail into the material but not properly setting it below the surface. This DeWalt is different, consistently firing one nail after the other into red oak without a problem. Its slim handle, weight distribution, and balance are outstanding, improving our productivity, which was also enhanced by the tool's stout drive mechanism and a lack of recoil. Place the gun and fire, then move on to the next nail. With the DCN 680D1, it's that simple. And finally at number 1, we have the Craftsman CMCN 616C1 Cordless Nail Gun. Craftsman's CMCN 616C1 deserves the moniker of most improved when you consider its predecessor, the C3 Speed Shot. Don't get us wrong, that wasn't a bad little product. But the new Craftsman has more nail driving power, a better sightline to its tip, and a more comfortable handle. We reliably fired nails into softwood up to 2.5 inches thick and oak up to 1.5. Just be warned, when we fired 2.5-inch nails into harder red oak, the majority of fasteners had their heads flush or nearly flush to the surface, not set just below the surface as is ideal. These nails, with their heads standing proud of the surface, required an old-fashioned nail set and a hammer for us to finish driving them. That aside, this is a good, sturdy, and reliable nailer.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.